Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming eligibility and opening YouTube settings. This avoids surprises. You must be signed into the Google account tied to the channel, and you should verify that the channel is active and has no strikes. Once done, go to YouTube Studio on desktop or the channel account settings in the mobile app. Make sure to locate the Customization tab immediately so you can access the handle field. This first step ensures you can change the @ without hitting permission blocks. Now edit your handle inside Customization under Basic Info. Click the @ field and type the new handle you want. You'll see availability in real time. If it's taken, try small variations or add numbers. YouTube enforces length and character rules, so avoid spaces or special symbols. Once you pick an available handle, explain to yourself why it fits your brand and how it's easier for viewers to find you. After confirming, click Publish to save, because unsaved changes will be lost. Finish by publishing the change and verifying the new @ appears on your channel, comments, and search. If the change doesn't show, clear your browser cache, sign out and sign back in, then check again. Sometimes propagation takes 24 to 48 hours. If YouTube rejects the handle, review policy reasons and alter the name accordingly. Avoid repeating the same rejected string. Only contact support after retrying these steps and documenting any error messages to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.